Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn profile. So first, you need to open a photo. Open Lightroom on your mobile device and sign in with your Adobe ID. Go to Photos View, locate the photo you want to use in all photos or in an album, and tap the photo to open it for editing. If the image is not already in Lightroom, add it on Lightroom. Go to Photos View and tap the Add Photos button. On Android, select a photo and tap Add. Then locate the photo in all photos or in an album and tap the photo to open it for editing. Optional, take a photo. You can take a photo with the Adobe camera built into the Lightroom mobile app. Tap the camera button to access the camera. The photo is automatically located in the Lightroom Camera Photos album. After that, crop your photo. Tap the crop button in the bar of editing tools at the bottom of the screen. If you do not see the editing tools, make sure that the menu is in the upper left is set to edit. To get the best result for LinkedIn, you'll want to end up with a square image. Tap the aspect ratio icon in the lower left and choose 1:1 square. Crop your photo so that your face is centered. You can move the image to reposition it within the crop box. You can also adjust the corner handles of the crop box. Tap the checkmark icon when you're done. Then, apply a black and white profile. Swipe the bar at the bottom of the screen to locate the profiles icon. Then tap the icon to display thumbnails of profiles. Profiles are typically starting points for editing. Black and white profiles are a quick way to try out variety of black and white looks on a photo. Tap the profile category above the thumbnails and choose B&W. Tap some of the B&W profiles to preview on your photo. You can modify the strength of a profile with the slider at the bottom of the image preview. When you have a black and white look you like, tap the check mark to apply it. Now, upload your photo to LinkedIn. Your headshot is now ready to be added to your LinkedIn profile. Go to your LinkedIn account, tap your profile, then tap again, and choose the Edit Profile. Now you can edit or add your profile in your LinkedIn. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.